Wait a minute, this love started off so tender, so sweet. But now she got me smoking out the window.
Must have spent 45,000 up in Tiffany's. Oh no! Got a badass kids running around my whole crib like it's Chuck E. Cheese. Whoa, whoa! Put me in the jam with an X-Man in the UFC. Can't believe it. I'm in disbelief. This bitch got me paying her rent, paying for trips, diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist, and here I am all alone. I'm so cold, I'm so cold. You got me out here smoking out the window, smoking out the window, singing how could she do this to me? How could she do this to me? Oh, I thought that girl belonged to only me, but I was wrong. 'Cause she belonged to everybody. Ooh. Just the other night, she was gripping on me tight, screaming Hercules. Got me in the club looking for a new love, someone help me please. Baby, why you doing this? Why you doing this to me, girl? Not to be dramatic, but I wanna die. This bitch got me paying her rent, paying for trips, diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist. And here I am all alone. I'm so cold, I'm so cold. You got me out here smoking out the window of the Benzo, singing how could she do this to me? How could you do this? Oh, I thought that girl belonged to only for you, only for you. But I was wrong. She belonged to everybody. Yes, she belonged to everybody. Yes, she belonged to everybody. Oh no! Look here, baby. I hope you find whatever it is that you need. But I also hope that your trifling ass is walking around barefoot in these streets. Look out! Girl, it breaks my heart that you ain't right here with me. Now I gotta give you back to the city. Oh, you got me smoking out the window, singing how could you do this to me? How could you do this, baby? Oh, I thought that girl belonged to only me, but I was wrong. She belonged to everybody.
She got me
Smoking out the window. Must have spent 45,000